cap is removed, take a lug wrench and you loosen each of the lug nuts. The lug nuts go counterclockwise to loosen. Once the lug nuts are loose, you don't take them off or the tire off. Now we're ready to jack the vehicle up. They've taken the jack out of the trunk of the vehicle and we set it underneath the side of the car. The approximate position for that jack is about 18 inches behind the wheel. There's a lip underneath the car that the jaws of that there's an indentation on the top of the jack that fits onto the body of the car. Scott's got it in position. Okay, once you have that in position, simply use the crank that's on the jack and start to lift the vehicle up. This is why it's important to find a flat spot on the side of the road to be able to change this, because that jack has to set flat to lift the weight of the car. Once Scott gets it raised up, gets all the weight off of that tire, it's important to get it up high enough, not only to take it off. Being flat, the tire will come off fairly easy, but you need to have room to put the spare tire on there. Okay, Scott's about got all the weight of the tire off the ground. It's at this time we're going to be ready to be able to take the rest of the lug nuts all the way off and then remove the flat tire. Lug nuts are all removed. Now you're ready to be able to take that tire off. First of all, Scott's doing, you can wiggle the top of the tire to make sure it's not held on there by some rust. Once it is, you can be careful to not bend straight over and use your back. You want to use your legs as best possible to take that tire off. Okay. Take the tire off. Set it up out of the way. Okay. Now we're ready to get the spare tire out of the trunk.